So what do you collect? What is the thing that gives you pleasure? I have found my niche. It's been in front of me all this time, inside all these boxes that have been around for years and years. That is my niche. Look at this. Look at this. Ray Bradbury, Keelan Patrick Burke, Hugh B. Cave, Simon Clark, Joe Hill, Norman Partridge over there. Lots of Stephen King. Books you would never find anywhere else. Secretary of Dreams and How to Write. More Stephen King. Fiction and non-fiction. Oh, Rick Haluta. I really liked him. Pet Sematary. Different versions. That's one of my all-time favorite books. That's because they provide me with lots and lots of fun and reading. The hard part is finding the problem to collecting, because there is no problem in collecting except storage. Now the next thing I want you to do is like and follow.